How's the things going on?
Yeah, it's been good.
Feeling better?
Yes.
Confident?
Yes, of course.
So any questions you have got onto the website portion, or anywhere you think like I should give you more insight or help?
I don't have right now, but maybe my classmates will have when they come. Yeah, but I don't. Thank you.
Good, good. Website. Then I'll tell you. Okay. Now, one place could be below the
I want it
menu.
here.
You want it there?
Yeah,
Wow, you,
like
you
in
made
this.
my job more easier. That is the simplest thing in the life.
Okay.
So on a right hand side, this is what you say is a right hand side bar.
Yeah, like in.
Yes. So the first thing what you do, Acha guys, I think I want all of you guys to do this job. You all are going to make a coupon code, whatever you've created on the occasion of Ramadan. You are going to give something on your website, right? I want to make that creative. So go to canva.com and make your creative first.